Hello, good morning. My name is Melia Sofiana Putri, and today I wanna talk or explain about possessive pronouns, linking word, and tenses. The first material I wanna talk is possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns is a word that used to express ownership or possession. For example, that car is hers. The word hers is a possessive pronoun. There are two kinds of possessive pronouns. The first is singular. Singular is referred to only one thing or person. For example, mine, yours, his, hers, and its. For example, in a sentence is this book is mine, that book is yours. For the second is plural. Plural is refer to more one person or thing. For example is ours, theirs, and yours. For example, in a sentence is the room is ours and this car is theirs. For the second material is linking word. Linking word are word or phrase that used to connect word, sentence, or paragraph. Linking word also serve different function, such as to give an example or to compare the idea, and linking word can go to the start of sentence and it can be in the middle of a sentence. There are 7 parts of linking word. The first is to express order. For example, firstly, secondly, thirdly, next, and finally. For example, in sentences are finally I bought my dream luxury car, and in the next meeting we will discuss about tenses. The second is used to express effect. For example, as a result, therefore, the result from, and so. For example, in a sentence is as a result of illegal logging are landslide and floods. The third is used to express comparison. For example, likewise, also, as, to, and, both, similar to. For example, in a sentence is likewise, we can work with oil and water systems. For the fourth is used to express difference. For example, however, although, even though, but. For example, in a sentence is the weather is bad, however, she goes to swimming. The fifth is used to express add information. For example, in addition, furthermore, also, as well as, moreover. For example, in a sentence is in addition to basketball, I am good at volleyball. The sixth is used to express affirmation. For example, indeed, generally, clearly, especially. For example, in a sentence is he generally plays soccer. And the last is used to express example, that are, for example, that is, including, such as. For example, in a sentence is There are so many types of ball games, such as volleyball and basketball. And the last material is about tenses. Generally, there are three divisions of time in tenses, such as present, past, and future. And the first we want to talk is about present tense. Present tense is a grammatical tense that used to locate a situation or event in the present. Present tense divided into four types. The first is present simple tense. Present simple tense is used to express habit, general truth, or unchanging situation. It is formed with base of verb, except in the third person singular or he, she, it. We add in the suffix of verb s or es. For example, in the sentence, I play basketball every day. She works at a bank. The sun rises in the east. The second type of present tense is present continuous tense. It's used to describe action happening at the moment of speaking. It is form used by verb of present tense, and we call to be is mr plus verb ing. For example, in a sentences are I'm studying for my exam. They are watching a movie right now, and it is raining outside. The third types of present tense is present perfect tense. It is used to express action that have been completed in the past, but the time is not specific. The form is have or has plus verb 3. For example, in sentences are she has lived in Paris for 5 years. I have finished my homework. And the last type of present tense is present perfect continuous tense. It is used to express action that began in the past but still continue in the present time. The form is have or has plus been plus verb ing. For example, in sentences are I have been waiting for an hour. It has been raining since morning. The second division of time in tenses is past tense. Past tense is a grammatical that used to describe an action in the past. There are four types of past tense. The first is simple past tense. It's used to express an action have completed in the past time. The form is use verb to. For example, in a sentences are I walked to the park yesterday. She went to the movies last weekend. The second types of past tense is past continuous tense. Is used to describe an ongoing action in the past. The form is was or were plus verb ing. For example, in sentences are I was studying when you called. The flowers were blooming in the garden. The third types of past tense is past perfect tense. Is tense that used to describe an action that was completed before another action. The form is had plus verb 3. For example, in a sentence, they had eaten dinner before we arrived. And the last type of past tense is past perfect continuous tense. These tense are used to describe an action that start in the past, continue up until another time in the past. The form is had plus been plus verb ing. For example, in a sentence is I had been studying for an hour before exam. And the last division of time in tenses is future tense. Future tense is grammatical tense that used to describe a thing that haven't happened yet. There are 4 kinds of future tense. The first is simple future tense, is used to express an action or event that will be happen in the future. The form is will plus verb. For example, in sentence is I will study for my exam. I will go to the park tomorrow. The second type of future tense is future continuous tense. These tense are used to describe an ongoing action that will be happen in the future. The form is will be plus verb ing. For example, in a sentence is I will be studying all night for my exam. The third type of future tense is future perfect tense. These tense are used to express an action that will be completed in the future. The form is will have plus verb 3. For the example, they will have already eaten when we arrive. And the last type of future tense is future perfect continuous tense. Is tense are used to describe an action that will have been in the future. The form is will have been plus verb ing. For example, in a sentence is they will have been waiting for 2 hours when the movie starts. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.